This is a very easy cornrow to make. You can quickly make this hair in less than an hour. And it's all natural hair, protective hairstyle to grow your hair. So friends, at this point in time we are almost done with the cornrow. So if you are new to cornrow, learning how to cornrow, I hope this video will be helpful to you. In this section I'll be showing you how to grip the hair and cornrow, how to achieve a good cornrow. Don't bother if your line is not straight. It takes time to perfect these things. Even up to now, my hands are not really very straight. So just do your best. The most important thing is to learn how to grip the hair. So watch the way I will grip this hair, and I hope this video helps you, for you to learn how to cornrow. So this very beginning section, I will still section it into 3 parts. 1, 2, and the third one. And then as I go, I pick the hair, I grip the hair. I don't know how to explain this but just watch the way I do it. It is very easy. So friends, this is a beautiful cornrow. So I'm almost done with this hair. Like I told you, this is a very simple cornrow hairstyle to make. Just 2 steps backward. I mean, this is so easy to make. This is very good, very friendly for any beginner of cornrow. So if you are just learning how to cornrow hair, this style is good for you to practice with. Just 2 steps backward. The first one and the second one. So very easy to cornrow, easy back to school hairstyle, beautiful cornrow hairstyle, and protective hairstyle because it's all natural. I mean, I added no extension to this hair, yet it's looking this beautiful. So friends, this is the one I'll be making now, and after this we are done with the hair. So friends, again, watch the way I'll grip this hair to achieve a beautiful cornrow. Check out the beautiful cornrow hairstyle. Easy to make cornrow. I mean, this cornrow is very easy to make, and I believe that if you are a beginner to cornrow, you can start practicing with a style like this. This is just all back, two steps all back. So I sectioned it into two, and I cornrow this section backward and this section backward. This is a very beautiful cornrow hairstyle. Easy cornrow hairstyle, quick to make cornrow hairstyle. This cornrow hairstyle is good for anyone who is new to the world of cornrow. So friends, thank you so much for taking out of your beautiful time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. And also, if you want more hairstyle videos, please do check out my YouTube channel. I have lots and lots of videos on beautiful hairstyles, cornrow hairstyles, how to braid, bantu hair knots, I mean beautiful hairstyles videos, and a lot of other videos as well. So please watch my other videos and leave your comments. Thank you all for watching this video. See you all in my next video. Bye.